Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create Bitcoin wallet address on phone. Creating a Bitcoin wallet address on your phone is simple and quick. Start by downloading a crypto wallet app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Any app that supports Bitcoin will work. Once installed, create your account, and the app will automatically generate a Bitcoin wallet address for you. Open your wallet and go to your portfolio or balance section. Then select Bitcoin, BTC, tap the deposit button, choose the correct network, and double check that both the token and network match to prevent any permanent loss. Your unique Bitcoin wallet address will then appear, either as a QR code or a string of characters. Copy this address and use it whenever you need to receive Bitcoin. Remember to always double check the address before sharing, and your phone is now ready to securely send and receive Bitcoin with ease. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.